Our Riccarton Bush also has many residents with their characteristics. Some of them have been here, some of them have disappeared from here and later returned to the bush. I will ask my human friends to introduce some of these residents to you.
So this is the foliage of titoki here. It's got what's called a compound leaf. So the leaf is one big unit made up of several different leaflets. There are 7 leaflets on the leaf. And it's part of a tropical group of plants, and many tropical plants have got compound leaves like this. This one's really special because it wasn't Riccarton Bush, it went extinct, it disappeared because of frost. We planted it back and now it's spreading again. But it's also really special here because in New Zealand, it's a native species to New Zealand, only occurs in New Zealand, titoki, and this is as far south as it grows, so we don't find it any further south than Riccarton Bush. So it's really nice to have it back in Riccarton Bush again now and doing really well. So another really distinctive feature of Riccarton Bush is we've got a lot of climbing plants. These are plants that start on the forest floor and then they climb up into the canopy. And there's a big one up here. This is a native passion vine, but we've got native passion vine, we've got jasmine, we've got bush lawyer, we've got clematis, and we've got a thing called pahuihui. So there are several of these climbing plants and they're quite a distinctive feature of Riccarton Bush. Christchurch was a mosaic of forest and wetland and grassland and shrubland, and even within the forest it's not all uniform. So like this is an area here, this is called Tikoka, the cabbage tree, and this is a wetter part of Riccarton Bush here, and there's a lot of sedges. It's very wintry at the moment. Harakiki here, and these are all plants of wetter conditions. So even within Riccarton Bush there are parts of the bush that are wetter and there's a different forest structure because of that. And Tikoka, Harakiki, these are all really important hingakai plants that Maori people use for food, for hunting, for all sorts of uses. So this diversity is great because it adds value to the bush. It's not just kaikatea,